Are you concerned about others being able to find you on Snapchat using your email address on Android? This can raise privacy concerns, especially if you want to keep your account low-key. Here's how to stop others from finding you from your email on Snapchat or Android. Method 1. Changing settings in Snapchat. Open Snapchat, tap on the profile on the very top icon, very top left corner. Go to Settings by tapping on the gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll down to Privacy Control Settings. Tap on Email. Untick Let Others Find Me using my email address. Now, no one will be able to find you through your email on Snapchat. You can replace your current email address with another one. This will also prevent others from finding you through email. Method 2. Changing the mail address. To do this, open Snapchat, tap on the profile on the very top left corner, and then open Settings by tapping on the gear icon. Here, tap on Email, replace the new email with older one, and tap Save. Now Snapchat will send you an email for verification on the new one. Now go to Gmail app on your phone. Open the email sent by Snapchat. Tap on Confirm Email button. Now the new email ID will be connected to your Snapchat. Exit the Snapchat and re-enter to the app. And go to Settings again. And you will see the new email shows up in the email option. And there you go. This is how you can restrain your visibility on Snapchat by your email. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get updated on our latest videos. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.